Good morning, my name is Kent and I'm with Optimum RV. This morning I'm going to share with you the MoRryde aluminum folding steps. Now available on the Wolfpack toy hauler. These are also available for other models, both used and new alike. You can order them from your local parts dealer. But this is an amazing feature. Simply fold them in, close the door, and away you go. You have no outside steps to get weathered by the elements. And then to open, you simply turn the handle and bring them down. They are fully adjustable. So like I said, they are available in different widths for both new and used models alike.